Portable handheld milk frother foam maker with 2 stainless electric whisk, 3-speed adjustable mini drink mixer for bulletproof coffee latte cappuccino hot chocolate, kit, black. Professional kitchen and barista tool with 2 versatile whisks, the EX electric milk frother is one of the best kitchen essentials to make the perfect milk foam for your morning and afternoon coffee and to help you get smooth batter consistency and fluffy whipped cream in 5 minutes. The built-in powerful low-noise motor brings strength and speed rotation without disturbing your families and gives you a calm and tranquil morning. High-quality milk frother, great power, remarkable durability. There are 2 replaceable versatile whisks available, made of food-grade premium stainless steel, easy to clean. The frother wand is made of food-grade ABS with easy and comfortable grip. Equipped with an innovative, super premium motor, the must-have handheld foam maker gives long-lasting and reliable performance. Double-layer design whisk ensures that you get silky and creamy milk with ease. USB rechargeable milk frother. The handheld milk frother is powered by the built-in 1200 mAh rechargeable 18650 lithium battery without any battery replacement, eco-friendly and saving money. It needs about 6 hours to get the portable milk frother fully charged, convenient in daily use. 3-speed adjustable coffee frother. Press the on-off switch to make the coffee frother work with blue light. It is on low speed when you turn it on and press the on-off switch in turn to tune the speed from medium speed to high speed. Multiple whisking speeds. 3 gears allow you to choose the proper whisking speed from 19,000 RPM, 21,000 RPM and 23,000 RPM. The higher speed you choose, the less time you will spend and the thicker foam you will create. We support best service. EX milk frother offer 1-year replacement service and 24H friendly. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.